The latest round in the battle over sports betting in Florida goes to the state.
Yeah, so the nation's highest court has issued a ruling in favor of online betting. But as West 2's Greg Fox explains, that doesn't mean the Sunshine State is closer to placing bets.
Governor Ron DeSantis and Seminole Chairman Marcellus Osceola were all smiles in 2021 when they signed the gambling compact. It gave the Seminole tribe permission to add more Vegas-style games at its casinos and full control of online sports betting. Several pari-mutuel owners sued, and in the federal complaint, the U.S. Supreme Court has given a boost to the state and tribe. It lifted a stay on an appeal court ruling that gave the green light to the tribe's sports betting plan. Whether that case continues is unknown. A spokesperson for the tribe told West 2 News the denial of the stay by the U.S. Supreme Court is very good news. The Seminole Tribe of Florida is heartened by this decision. The U.S. Supreme Court case is just one of 2 lawsuits that are pending and blocking the Seminole Tribe's ability for you to use your phone or a computer to bet on sports. At the heart of the federal and state cases is the argument that the agreement is illegal under the Federal Indian Gaming Regulatory Act because it permits gambling only on tribal lands. The group No Casinos, which backed a 2018 amendment giving voters the power to approve or reject expanded gambling, has just filed a brief with the state Supreme Court that concludes, until and unless the voters authorize statewide sports betting, this court has the discretionary power and, we think, the duty to invalidate the compact.
And this amendment said something that gave you and me rights to decide these things, that should not be ignored by the politicians either in Tallahassee or Washington.
Because the state case could take several years to resolve, it remains a question mark when and if sports betting will launch in the Sunshine State. Greg Fox, West 2 News.
It is estimated the state's agreement with the Seminole Tribe could bring in more than $2.5 billion in its first 5 years.